Up Telcoin holders, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now my friends, at this time the Telcoin holders doing a very big mistake. My friends, don't do this mistake and be safe from loss. If you do this mistake, so you're in the loss completely. You're in the loss, my friends. Keep watch this video for more details, and please my friends, remember to subscribe ABS Tech channels for more news and updates videos. My friends, at this time the people decide to sell. Is it a good decision at this time or not? The latest price of Telcoin at this time in the market is 0.028949 USD dollar. It's the latest price of Telcoin in the market, and the pricing is negative last 1 hour, pricing is negative last 1 day, pricing is negative last 1 week, pricing is negative. The whole chain is over, and the Telcoin is going negative day by day, hour by hour, minute by minute. So the people are afraid by that, and they understand that they have no idea to the price pump in the future, and they are going to sell Telcoin. That is the big mistake, my friends. Don't decide to sell. It's time to hold and hold, my friends. The last 3 days pricing is negative 14.5%. This means that the last 3 days, just the last 3 days pricing is dead. So understand the last 1 month pricing. Just imagine, my friends, you are completely in the loss. You are losing your money in the Telcoin, my friends. Why you decide to sell? If you decide to sell Telcoin on this price, so you are in the loss. That is why I recommend for everyone, my friends, be patient and hold it. It's time to hold. My friends, cryptocurrency's rules is that if you have a patience, you will get a profit, and if you have no patience, nothing you will get. Wait for the pump of Telcoin. Hope they will take a pump. So wait for it, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos. Thanks for watching this video.